want to be a ghost at the back of your closet. No matter where you live, there'll always be a few things, or maybe several things, you're gonna find really difficult to forgive. It's gonna come a day when you feel better. You'll rise up free and easy on that day. Float from branch to branch, lighter than the air. Just when that day is coming, who can say, our mother has been absent ever since we founded Rome. But there's going to be a party when the wolf comes home. Gonna commandeer the local airwaves to tell the neighbors what's been going on. And they will shake their heads and wag their bony fingers in all the wrong directions, and by daybreak we'll be gone. I'm gonna get myself in fighting trim, scope out every angle of unfair advantage. I'm gonna bribe the officials, I'm gonna kill all the judges. It's gonna take you people years to recover from all of the damage. Our mother has been absent ever since we founded Rome. There's gonna be a party when the wolf comes home.